What is going on, y'all? Travis here, ready to kick off season 2 of Teen Wolf. I love the first season so much, so I cannot wait to see what happens in this one. So let's just jump in. Let's go. Well, this is a nice way to start it off. Jeez. Well, damn. Whoa. Scott just got like hella attractive in like one season, one break. Holy crap.
Stop, please, please.
What the hell is happening? I feel like I'm watching like the end of the episode, not the beginning. Jeez. How the hell did they film that? How in the hell did they do that?
How much time do we have?
You lied to your dad. Oh. Oh, we get an intro? Music and imagery now? Derek. Oh, so we must have got more of a budget this season or something, it seems.
Me for
Styles looks the same.
You want help getting in the shower?
Maybe that's 4.
What is he doing?
He's been here all night.
He's been here all weekend.
How is that comfortable, bro? I love him. Ooh.
Okay, that was your fault.
Sorry.
We get a little more risque in season 2.
If you don't trust me enough to let me have a lock on my door, the least you can do is knock.
Calm down.
Mom!
Ooh. Ah. Oh, God. Ew. I love Styles. Oh, no. Back when candy was 60 cents, I feel like now they charge $1.50 or something. How would you not notice that? That is disgusting. Shut up. Yeah, get out of there. Oh, no, Mm-mm. Nope. Now, Lydia? Mm-mm. Who the hell? What the fudge?
Fair skinned and her hair is actually strawberry blonde.
All right.
Yeah.
Here. What the hell are you still doing here?
Providing moral support.
Styles, I tell ya. I tell ya.
All right, just shove the thing in your face and let's
I
find it.
feel like... Did Scott get 3 years older?
Take the next right.
I can't get past it. Like how much Scott has grown. Who is this? Why are you doing this at nighttime anyways? That's creepy as hell. Ah. Oh, damn. Are you gonna get buried alive? Oh, it's coming for you now, homie. Yes. Yes. I love Derek. Miguel.
She came here? You sure?
Nah, I can't believe this damn house is still open. Like, why is this house still up? Even after the shit that happened in the last season, this house is not knocked down yet? What the hell?
Maybe she gave her an instinct like she was looking for Derek.
I think it's a tripwire.
Don't trip it.
Damn.
Yeah, noted.
What are you gonna do? Oh shit. Allison's dad? What was his name again? Chris, I think.
Scott,
Mr. Argent.
how are you doing? Lydia's in your group now, isn't she? Scott, do you know what a hemocorporectomy is?
Huh? You just threatened to give him a hemoglobinectomy? Or however you say it. Uh-oh. Oh!
But I think I got it.
You work for your father, Isaac?
When he's not in school,
Isaac.
which is where he needs to be in 20 minutes.
So we got a new character in Isaac.
How'd you get that black eye, Isaac?
Damn. Probably his dad.
My son plays for the team. Well, I mean, he's on the team. He doesn't technically play.
Ooh.
Not yet, anyway. It's a...
How come someone like Derek isn't just creeping around the trees near my house? Jeez.
You're the test case for this, so we should be going over what happened to you.
Because the night that Lydia was bit, she was with you.
Jackson.
So cocky. The scarf.
I lost a testicle to exposure. Now, I don't want the same thing happening.
What?
A unicorn. What do you think, dumbass?
Well, I think that if Lydia's turning, she's not the one that's gonna need help.
Well, I was hoping that Jackson would turn into a nice person after season 1, but...
If I hear your voice again, I may be tempted to give you detention for the rest of your high school career. You too, Mr. McCall?
No, sir. You okay?
That didn't even look like blood. It's black. What the hell?
Looking a little pale there, Jackson. Feeling okay?
I mean, just because you gave me the bite doesn't mean I'm part of your little wolf pack.
Is that so?
Oh my god, that face.
What is it? What's happening? What does it mean?
What? Oh my god, that's terrifying.
Paint the picture.
Aww, that's cute.
Nice camera.
Who's that?
Find a new seat.
Everyone is going to be watching me, and there are going to be cameras there, and I can't.
Yes, you can. Maybe Kate wasn't totally who you thought she was, but you still lost her.
Okay.
Aw, they love each other. Oh my gosh. So slow.
Yeah, I've decided to make you my personal project for the rest of the semester. Now,
No, thank you.
sit down.
Go have a chat with the principal.
I tried telling him, but he insisted on making a point of it.
You little jerk. Ooh. Who's that? Their dad? Kate and Chris's dad? Grandpa? Here comes Styles' extra ass.
You remember me?
Definitely an Argent.
You'd call me Grandpa.
What if they're the non-hunting side of the family? There could be non-hunting Argents. That's possible, right?
Something got in the back. There's blood everywhere.
Now, as for you two...
How'd they get out of there? Can't just open the back of a police car. Oh, sure got dark pretty fast. Jeez.
That was
Damn.
Allison. I just need you to find her.
I don't even know if that's her. Oh, that's that homeless guy. Right? Ew.
Wait! Lydia!
Oh my god. Uh-oh. Well, damn, Derek.
I can help him with Wyatt!
Ow.
You're not from here, are you?
Are you? No, he wasn't alive in the ambulance. He wasn't, I swear.
And Omega.
The lone wolf.
Oh.
Alone by his own choice.
Huh.
Not a wise choice.
Oh, they're gonna kill him? Oh.
And Omega rarely survives.
This is why why we need each other. The only way to fight them.
Whoa.
We have a code.
Not when they murder my daughter. From now on, these things are just bodies waiting to be cut in half. Because I don't care if they're wounded and weak.
Damn, Jackson's about to die.
With no idea what they're getting into, we find them.
What's up with that kid?
We kill them.
Damn, so Grandpa is coming for Scott.
We kill them all.
Grandpa is not messing around. He is coming for Scott and for Derek. I love this. This second season started off with a bang. The production value seems to have gone up. The budget seems to have gone up. This is awesome. I can't wait to see where this season goes. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this reaction. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.